Today I'm going to show you how to test your synchronization device for proper function on a bar feeder for a Swiss style sliding headstock machine. This process should be the same across any sliding headstock style Swiss style bar feeder with a synchronization device, regardless of make or model. This is good for either the Edge product line or the FMB product line, as well as any other machines that are designed for a sliding headstock style machine. The synchronization device is a very important part of the process regarding a Swiss style or sliding headstock style machine. We have a synchronization rod that connects to the main headstock of the lathe. And as that main headstock of the lathe moves, it moves that synchronization rod. That synchronization rod will then be attached directly to the pusher movement, and that's what keeps your pusher collet connected to your bar stock while you're machining with a sliding headstock style lathe. We have to test that in scenarios where the pusher is coming off of the back of the bar during machining, and we want to make sure that the following or the synchronization is working properly. And this is how we do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bring your pusher collet to any location where you can see it visibly. You want to be able to see it. Okay? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to disconnect your synchronization rod from whatever adapter it may be connected to connect to the back of the lathe. So we're going to disconnect this synchronization rod so that we can manipulate it by hand. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to close the collet on the main spindle headstock on the lathe, and we're going to put the bar feeder into an auto mode condition, whatever that happens to be on the bar feeder that you're looking at. In this case, this puts the bar feeder into auto mode. Now this bar feeder is in full auto run mode, and the synchronization clutch should be engaged. At that point, I'm going to grab hold of the sync rod, and as I manipulate that sync rod forward and back, I'm watching for the pusher to actually move and mimic my movements. There should be very little to almost zero delay or slop between the movement of the two. So as I move this sync rod, that pusher collet should move exactly the same distance, and immediately when I start moving the sync rod. Any slop or play in that between these two components could potentially cause your bar to come out of your pusher collet during machining, especially during very aggressive single point drilling or pecking process. So that's how we're testing the synchronization device to make sure that it's functioning properly in a sliding headstock synchronized bar feeder application. I'm Brian Grisey with Edge Technologies.